Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made these super cute Christmas ornaments. To start off with, you're going to want some ornament hooks. These ones I got from the Walmart ornament department, and then you're also going to want some of these little screws. These little critters are called Doorables, and I've been getting them from a bunch of different retailers like Walmart, Target, Amazon. They're pretty much everywhere right now. It's a surprise package, so you don't know what you're going to get, but they are all so cute and they're made of plastic, so you're really easily able to just drill into their little heads. So you're going to want to make a little hole with that drill. These little eye hook screws are so perfect and easy to use. You just twist them into the top and they drill perfectly into that plastic material. Our little guys are looking perfect, and now all we have to do is add our hook. We just latch that on there, and then you could end it here, but I personally like them to be a little bit more secure. So what we're going to end up doing is just pinching that until those two little pieces of metal reach each other. Using a little jump ring, I'm going to go ahead and connect those two pieces of metal. This is going to make sure that our little Doorable never falls off of his hanger. It's also going to make it a lot harder for this ornament to get tangled in storage. These turn out so stinking cute every single time. I'm absolutely obsessed, and I hope you guys are too. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe so we can see you in the next video. Bye.